Hello, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to deal with large datasets using the Emalytics preclinical software. Therefore, I will open the software first and open an example dataset and the general large dataset, load example dataset. And you might have noticed it takes a time to load the dataset because this dataset is very large. I will show you later. What we see is CT scan of 4 mice laying in a 4 mousepad holder. You can see it here. Let me adjust the windowing a little bit that you can even see it better. However, it's very slowly because the dataset is very big. I will go back, takes a time. And yes, I mean those 4 mousepads, they're really good for high-throughput screening. However, for your image analysis, we recommend to reduce the dataset. For example, by cropping them, that you have only 1 mouse, you can save it as another dataset, and then you can analyze only 1 mouse per time point, because this will fasten up your processing. So it's usually or in general better to work with smaller datasets. For example, when we go here to options, show image information, you see the voxel type and the image size and the dimensions of the dataset. And what you can see is that the image size, it's 4 GB. So it's a very large dataset. We have 3 different ways now to crop the dataset. One is under edit, crop selected layer. Here you have to enter exact values for X, Y, and Z. And in this way you can crop the dataset. However, this is not a very handy function because you need the exact values. So I recommend to use this mouse action image crop here. It's visualized by this blue scissor. And you just go around your mouse you want to analyze or you want to save, and you crop your dataset in this way. You can make it a little bit nicer. But I'm not gonna explain this mouse mode here in detail because there's another video about it. You can watch it. You can find it under mouse modes, cropping, show video. There are more information about the image cropping tool. There's a third option to crop your dataset. For example, if you want only the liver of this particular mouse to analyze, you can use scribbles. So we go to our draw scribble tool and then we draw scribbles around the liver. And this way. Okay, you can show the bounding box here. Show bounding box. And all this red stuff will be your new dataset. And you can crop to scribbles using this function. It takes a little bit longer. But now also the dataset is cropped. And as I mentioned, you can save this dataset and then you can use the undo function to go back and then just continue with the other animals and crop your dataset as you need it. Okay, then another thing what you also could do to reduce the size of your dataset is perform a downsampling. So let me see. Wait, I will use this mouse as an example. So I would like to also show you before I do the downsampling that now the size is only 782 megabytes. So we already reduced the size of the dataset. But when we perform a downsampling under edit No, it's resample. Downsampling by 2, binning. It means that it merges 8 adjacent voxels into one larger voxel. And now if we check under options the image information again, it's only 98 megabyte. So it's really, really smaller. And now you can work faster with this dataset. Okay. And in many cases, the quality of the downsampled image is still good enough for your image analysis. So what is really worth considering to reduce the size of large datasets are these 2 options: to crop the dataset and to downsample it. Okay, I hope this helps. Bye bye.